So here we are inside the car with this 2023 CRV. And if you want to reset engine oil maintenance life, you turn the ignition on. And you have two ways to do this. One way uses the steering controllers and the cluster. Where you can just click on the home button and click on the home button again. And then you get yourself this. And if you go back to the menu there, you're going to be able to maintenance. I mean, if it's not on maintenance, it's anywhere else. Just scroll down until you see your maintenance tab. Click on it. And when you see this one, you're going to press and hold. Middle button. Now, it's asking you to, what do you want to reset? So at this point, you have many different items you can reset. So we're going to scroll down. It says item A only, item 1 only, item 2 only. So we know it's an A127, right? So either you can reset one at a time, or you can say all due items. All right. And it says reset completely, and your oil change has been reset. Now the second option is also available, very easy. What you can do is you go back to your center console right here and go into home. You will see this setup. Scroll to the right till you see a vehicle settings. At this point, you're going to push the right button. You're going to see the maintenance info. And here it already tells you your oil change life is 100%. And the B is for the engine oil filter. So you can come down here and reset each field at a time like I showed you, because you see when you look at here, it doesn't tell you which item is 1, 2, or 3, or 4, right? Since we did not do transmission oil, we did not do spark plugs, we did not do engine coolant, we did not do all-wheel drive system, right? So we're just gonna go ahead and touch this guy, and it'll say reset, and it's resetting your filter only. Now, if you want to service any of the other stuff, like the transmission oil right here, and it says this, well, 100% 3 transmission oil, we're not going to do that because it's not service. Spark plugs or maintenance items, you do have to replace these if you want your vehicle to last longer and keep it maintained. Until then, don't just click and reset just because you don't like the warning. The warnings are there for a reason. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.